So let's make some very light dinner. I will use some vegetables, tomato. I will use some pasta. After that I will use some cheese and cucumbers. It's very light dinner. With this dinner you don't need the bread because I will make with the pasta with some vegetables, with coconut oil, and after that I will add some cheese. It's very interesting. So let's go, let's make it. Also, I cut some tomato. So I will add some coconut oil over here. And, tomato I cut already. Yes. Add some little water. Just like that. And I will wait a few minutes for this to be cooked. Beautiful. I'm also cutting some garlic here. And also, I just opened frozen veggies. Yes, frozen veggies, and I'm going to add those veggies together, just like that. To be cooked. Yes. I will also add some salt, just like that. Beautiful. I'm also going to add some pepper. Yes. And it's going to be cooked. I will let this to cook for maybe 15 minutes. Smells nice. Yes. And I'm adding some pasta I cooked before. And I'm just gonna add this together. It's going to absorb all these flavors from the vegetables. Just like that, and I will add and I will let this to be cooked for a few minutes more. And I will add a few pieces of garlic right now from the vegetables and the garlic and all of that. So this is cooked already. I'm going to switch off the stove. And now I'm going to add some more garlic I cut from before. This is great meal. I don't need any bread for this. I'm just gonna eat the pasta like that with the vegetables. I cooked enough, so I might have some friends coming over, or I will just keep it for myself for today and tomorrow, and I will give some of the pasta to my neighbor. Alright, perfect. So this is ready. Over here I prepared my plate. I have some fresh cucumber. I will add some of the pasta. In my plate. Oh wow, look at that. Beautiful. Some more veggies. Perfect. And I will add some great fresh cheese. I got it from the market yesterday. So I don't need any bread, anything. It's a beautiful cheese and great meal. You can add a piece of chicken or any meat you like. This is great diet meal. No bread, no nothing. Delicious. It is delicious. It came out really nice. Amazing. So please subscribe and follow me on my YouTube channel. I will make different kind of videos. So I hope you enjoy that and enjoy the food.